Did you know that if we delay the day of overexploitation of our planet by 4.5 days each year, that in 2050 we will turn the balance between consumption and production of natural resources? The overexploitation of natural resources is the greatest impact to our global population. Here are some key ways in which we can affect people. It can affect people. Overexploitation can lead to the depletion of natural resources that are vital for our survival, such as freshwater, fish, forests, and soil. Human beings are depleting the planet's natural resources, and the standard of living will begin declining by 2030 unless immediate action is taken. These resources are critical for human survival. With their decline, can directly affect the availability and quality of water, food, and essential materials. This, in turn, can lead to an increase of competition and conflict as people struggle for access as it dwindles. Overexploitation disrupts the natural ecosystem and can result in a loss of biodiversity. These species are overharvested or their habitats are destroyed. It can cause an effect that trickles down through the food web, affecting other species and ecosystem services. Overexploitation, such as overfishing, hunting, and overharvesting for food, things like food, medicine, and timber, drives around 20% of loss of biodiversity. These losses in biodiversity can cause an impact on human population by reducing availability of natural resources and disrupting our ecological balance and increasing our vulnerability to our ecosystem to environmental changes. The overexploitation of natural resources contributes to climate change also. Even worse, deforestation has increased greenhouse gases by 12 to 17% over the last 3 decades. Extensive industries such as fossil fuels have released amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. 89% of our global CO2 emissions come from fossil fuels. The result of climate change impacts such as rising temperatures, sea level rises, and extreme weather events, which can directly hurt the human population through risks of natural disasters, reducing agricultural production, and also spreading diseases. There are many ways in which overexploitation can affect our global population. Those are just a few. We need to prioritize the long-term well-being of both the ecosystem and our human population to ensure a livable future.